This security camera video shows the moment that the suspect put his vehicle in reverse, pinned the officer, and basically ran him over.
After knocking on the window and shining a flashlight in the car, Officer Number 1 activated his sirens and lights to wake Mr. Shane. 4 minutes after the initial contact, Mr. Shane woke up, cracked open the passenger window, and unlocked the doors.
Out of 270-262, trouble on person 1616 East 25th Street at Douglas Park. He's moved. Hey! Hey, nope! Put it in park! Put it in park! Hey! Put the car in park, brother. Hey! Can you unlock the door for me, please? Unlock the door, okay? Put the car in park. Just unlock the door. Hey! Are you okay?
Is he on duty?
Working all day. I got something wrong with my mouth. I'm on my way to.
Is that for 2.3?
I just got.
Yeah, can you call me?
A month ago, and it happened.
Let's step out of the vehicle. Yeah, I need to get out of the car real quick.
No, but I'll send it to you. Charles, that's for 235, not 253.
No, we're gonna stay still, okay?
Officer Number 1 moved to the driver's side of the car, opened the door, and asked Mr. Shane to step out. Officer Number 1 asked Mr. Shane to walk to the back of the car, but he refused to do so. Mr. Shane then got back into his car as Officer Number 1 gave him repeated commands to get out of the car. Mr. Shane put the car in reverse and backed up, pinning Officer Number 1 between the vehicle and the wall, and striking Officer Number 1 with the open driver's side door. Officer Grantham discharged his service weapon as Mr. Shane drove his car in reverse. An Indianapolis Emergency Medical Services medic dragged the injured Officer Number 1 away from Mr. Shane's vehicle.
Let's step out. It's in park. Come on back here. Well,
What talking about me?
so I was on my siren and my horn. We were knocking on the window, and you weren't moving. So step back here, and we'll explain everything.
Okay, like I don't. Like,
So come on back here.
why do I have to get out though?
Just come back here.
I don't. Y'all. It's too many of y'all. Y'all scaring me. Like,
There's no
y'all
reason to be
just-
scared. Just come back here.
Okay, I'm comfortable right here in my car.
I want you to come back to the back of the car.
I don't want to.
Sir, come back
Yeah,
here.
I just like I'm cool. I'm okay.
Grant, come over here.
I'm okay.
Just come here.
I'm okay.
No, you are not.
Yes,
Come
I
here.
am. I'm okay.
Come here.
Man,
No. Get out of the car.
man, leave me.
Get out of the fucking car.
Get out of the car.
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Sending body worn down in 15 seconds.
You alright?
Sending body worn down in 10 seconds. Body worn down canceled.
A security camera video shows the moment that Mr. Shane put his vehicle in reverse and pinned Officer Number 1 between the car and the wall. Officer Number 1 was struck by the open driver's side door when the vehicle backed up. The video concludes with the medic dragging Officer Number 1 to safety. Officer Grantham walked to the driver's side of the car when Mr. Shane stepped out of the car. When Mr. Shane re-entered his vehicle, Officer Grantham moved back to the passenger side and gave him commands to get out of the car. When Mr. Shane struck Officer Number 1 with his vehicle, Officer Grantham discharged his service weapon. Mr. Shane was struck by a single round in his right arm.
Okay. Man,
Step it up. Get out of the car! He's taking off. Hey! Hey! Shots fired. Please execute and step it up. Hey! Officer down. Officer down. Hey! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Step out! Step out!
Radio, where you at?
We're at the Walgreens in the drive-thru. Officer down. Police action shooting. He's still not complying. Step out!
Police action shooting at Walgreens, 1545 North Road.
Officers ordered Mr. Shane to get on the ground, and he ultimately complied. Officers approached, handcuffed him, and placed a tourniquet around his arm. On scene, Indianapolis Emergency Services personnel transported Mr. Shane to Eskenazi Hospital in stable condition. Mr. Shane was arrested and charged by the Marion County Prosecutor's Office. On August 4th, Mr. Shane pleaded guilty to battery by means of a deadly weapon, possession of a narcotic drug. Mr. Shane was sentenced to 7 years in the Indiana Department of Correction, followed by 2 years of probation. Indianapolis Emergency Medical Services personnel transported the injured officer to the hospital in good condition. The officer was later released. No other officers or uninvolved citizens were physically harmed in this incident.